I want to buy the British pound US dollar at 1 to 933. That's the orange line on my chart. This is a limit order. The order is not yet filled. It will be filled when the price rises up to 1 to 933. All right, so I'm now waiting for the price to reach this level, and once it reaches that level, the order will be filled. The title of this video is Live Scalping using Stochastic pattern. All right, live scalping using a stochastic pattern. All right, we are trading the British pound US dollar, okay, on the 3-minute time frame. Live scalping using a stochastic pattern, the pattern that we are using. It is a bullish stochastic pattern. All right. When it's stochastic, I talk about this pattern many times. We can use it for day trading, for swing trading, for position trading. And today I want to use that stochastic pattern, all right, on a 3-minute time frame for scalping purposes. Well, I keep watching the price now approaching. Okay, yes, it's coming up. We want this order here to be filled. Once the order is filled, I'll place my stop loss below the low of this candle. In fact, what I'll do, place a stop loss 13333. I'll place my stop loss at 1 to 914. Okay. So once the order is filled, okay, I will set my stop loss because the order is not yet filled, if you understand. So as soon as the order is filled, I'll set my stop loss at 1 to 914. So we are talking about the stochastic pattern when the stochastic is overbought first, and then the stochastic pull back to form, okay. All right. A lower high. Normally, this lower high should not be in overbought zone, but if you look carefully here, this one is in overbought zone. But I want to give it a chance, all right? So it is not a perfect stochastic pattern here, because normally the stochastic should form a high followed by a lower high that is not in the overbought zone, somewhere below the overbought zone. And then when the stochastic reaches the oversold zone and turn around as it is doing now, it is a specific stochastic pattern. All right? Stochastic form a high that is in overbought zone and form a lower high that is not in overbought zone, and then the stochastic is oversold and turn around like this. This is a bullish stochastic pattern. This is the pattern that I want to use for live scalping today. All right. But as you can see, I'm explaining to you that this stochastic pattern is not gorgeous, it's not perfect as we would like it to be. But I want to give it a chance. All right. Because in fact, the stochastic has formed a double top and this lower high. Okay. A double top followed by lower high is bearish. But when the stochastic is oversold and changing direction, it becomes bullish. All right. But my order is not yet filled. It will be filled when the price close above 1 to 933. All right, it's approaching it now. Let's see whether it's going to fill it. Okay, so you know now the stochastic pattern that I'm using is a specific. Now this order is now filled because the price now 1 to 935. I'll place my stop loss, okay, at 1 to 914. All right, okay, that's 14, that's how many? 19 pips. All right, I'm using 19 pips for this scalping trade. It's quite huge. I'm happy with it because normally, I mean, this is the best place to play the stop loss. But if I want to reduce my loss, I can place it right here, somewhere at 1 to 923, 10 pips. But I want to place it at 1 to 914. All right. So now you know what I'm trying to do here. I'm already in the trade because the limit order is now filled, okay, at 12933, stop loss at 12914 for scalping purposes. So I'm now in this trade. So if the price comes down to 12914, okay, that will be 19 pip loss. All right, but if you continue to go out, that will be a profitable trade. All right, stochastic is overbought, followed by a lower high that is not in overbought zone, and then the stochastic is oversold and turn around. That is a specific stochastic pattern. There are 13 specific stochastic patterns. If you want to purchase what we call the 24SP, digit 2, digit 4, S for Sierra, P for Papa, 24SP stochastic pattern, go to www.stochastic-magdi.com and click on the web store, and purchase the 24SP trading material, all right? The trading material that are revealed to traders, the 13 specific stochastic pattern. There are many other stochastic patterns, but when we are talking about 13 specific stochastic pattern, we are talking about 13 essential stochastic pattern that one must know if one is day trading, swing trading, and position trading. Because if you want to trade like a pro, we must first find a trading setup. And the stochastic pattern is revealing to us 13 specific trading setup that we can use by applying multiple time frame trading method or a top-down trading method to trade it. In this case, I'm using a bullish stochastic pattern. Though the pattern is not perfect, I want to give it a chance. So there is a bit of risk in this trade. I'm aware of it, but I want to handle it carefully, all right? So now I'm in this trade, all right? To avoid that the video is too long, because this video is for educational purposes only, all right, we can pause it, all right, it's not for public show. I will pause the video for the first time, and I will come back to it if the price is going up, all right, or going down, all right. So I'm now in this trade, 12933, entry point, stop loss, 12914. What I will do, I will also set a profit target. I will set my profit target at 129. Okay, hold on please. Set my stop loss 20 pips up. So stop profit target, set my profit target at 12953. So as soon as the price reaches that level, the profit will be automatically, okay, taken, all right? So the pink line is my profit target for this scalping trade, expecting 20 pips profit out of this trade. All right, 12933, that's my stop loss there. My profit target, correction, my profit target at 12933. All right, the time in London, this is a live recording by the way, is 22 minutes past 2 p.m. in London on the 23rd of September 2016. In New York is 9:22. So in exactly 7 minutes or so, New York will be open, all right? So pausing the video for the first time, after how long? After 8 minutes recording. Speak to you soon. And let's continue. We pause the video here, exactly on this candlestick bar here. All right, right there, we pause the video there. And now it's going up beautifully, all right? So it's working nicely, but it's not yet at my target price, which is at, okay, 129, okay. 12968, that's my profit target there. So my entry, as you can see, was at 12933, stop loss at 12914. Oh, here it is. My profit target is in fact greedier than that at 12996. All right, that's no. My profit target was 20 pips. What is it? 20 pips. 12953. What is it? Because this is my second recording today, so this was for my previous recording. So let's remove that. So profit target at 12953. Hold on, please, traders. 12953, expecting 20 pips out of this trade for scalping purposes. That's it. So here it is. So the price now in my target zone at 12953. So has been a profitable trade. So we entered the trade at 12933 right here, and we have now 20 pips out of this trade. All right. It can continue to go up more, but for the purpose of this scalping, it has been a successful trade. All right. The time in London now is 45 minutes past 2 p.m. in New York, and 9:45. So New York is now open, and after 32 minutes waiting time, this trade has been a successful trade. All right. So the pattern that we have used in this trade, very simple pattern, stochastic form is overbought and then form a lower high that is not in overbought zone, and then the stochastic becomes oversold and turn around like this. This is a high probability trading setup. All right. And okay, for scalping purposes, we bought it at 12933, and now we hit our target at 12953, 20 pip very fast, using a specific stochastic pattern. All right. I hope you have found this video so useful. All right. If you have any question, put in the comment section. Put in the comment section, and in due course, I will be recording more videos about the stochastic pattern and how to trade forex using the stochastic pattern. All right. Very simple and very powerful. If we want to use the stochastic pattern for day trading and for swing trading, we must first find a trading setup using the stochastic pattern. The stochastic pattern, we highlight a specific trading setup, a high probability trading setup. Then we will implement a top-down trading method to trade it. What I have done today is a little bit risky because it's not a perfect stochastic pattern, because the lower high is not in the lower high is in fact in the overbought zone, as you can see here. Above 70 normally should be below the overbought zone. So this lower high should not be in the overbought zone, But this is a little bit in overbought zone, but I'll give it a bit of chance. But still, it has been a successful trade. All right. Thank you for watching, and then we will speak to you very soon. We are the TSTW 24 traders talking about live scalping using the stochastic pattern. The stochastic pattern that we had, the stochastic setting that we have used is the stochastic 833. If you are talking about stochastic pattern, always use the stochastic 833. Never use any other setting, okay, when you are looking for specific stochastic pattern. Thank you for watching, and speak to you soon.